classes. Our college code is VKRP and VVGV. Today topic is tangent and secants part 2. In part 1 we have discussed the topic. In part 1 we have discussed the topic circle, tangent and secant of a circle and chord of a circle. So circle, what is circle? ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి కాన్స్టెంట్ డిస్టెన్స్ తో ట్రావెల్ చేసే పాత్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో మనం దాన్ని సర్కిల్ అంటాము. ఆ ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ ని సెంటర్ అని చెప్పి పిలుస్తాము. ఆ కాన్స్టెంట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ని రేడియస్ అని చెప్పేసి పిలుస్తాం. రేడియస్ ని స్మాల్ ఆర్ తో డినోట్ చేస్తాం. వేర్ diameter is equal to the twice the radius, that is diameter is denoted by small d, that is small d is equal to 2 into small r. Next, chord of a circle. The line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called the chord of the circle. Next, tangent of the circle. If a line touches the circle at exactly 1 point, then we say that the line is a tangent to the circle. That is, ఒక సర్కిల్ ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా ఒకే ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర టచ్ చేసే స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ ని మనం ఏమని చెప్తాము అంటే టాంజెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. Next, secant of a circle. If a line passes through any 2 points on the circle, then we say that the line is a secant to the circles. So, ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్ని పార్ట్ 1 లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాము. ఫార్ములాస్ ఆల్సో. సో బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. 7. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point is called. The set of all points which are equidistant from a fixed point. ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి ఈక్వి డిస్టెంట్ అంటే సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ తో ట్రావెల్ చేసే పాయింట్స్ అన్నిటిని మనం ఏమని చెప్తాము అంటే సర్కిల్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. సో ఆప్షన్ 3 is the right answer. Next bit. If the radii of 2 concentric circles are 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters, then the length of the chord of the larger circle which is tangent to the other is. First of all, 2 concentric circles అన్నాడు. కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ మీన్స్ హ్యావింగ్ ద సేమ్ సెంటర్, అంటే 2 సర్కిల్స్ ఒకే సెంటర్ ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. 2 సెంటర్స్ ఒకే సెంటర్ ని ఎలా కలిగి ఉంటాయి? దట్ మీన్స్ ఒక సర్కిల్లో ఇంకో సర్కిల్ లై అయి ఉంటుంది. మోర్ ఓవర్ ఏమని చెప్పాడు? ద రేడియా ఆఫ్ 2 ఏమని ఇచ్చారు? ద రేడియా ఆఫ్ 2 కాన్సెంట్రిక్ సర్కిల్స్ అంటే ఆ 2 సర్కిల్స్ యొక్క రేడియస్ మనకి మెన్షన్ చేశారు. సి అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్. ఇన్ this one is a circle, small circle, and this is the another circle, big circle. One circle is inserted in another circle. This is the small circle. O is the center. This center is common to both the circles. Given small circle is of radius 6 centimeters and big circle is of radius 10 centimeters. That is denoted by AO. Small circle radius is equal to OC, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we have to find the AC. Clearly, this is a right angle triangle. AOC is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AC square is equal. We have AO square is equal to AC square plus OC square. AO square is equal to AC square plus OC square. That implies we have to find out this side AC. That implies AC square plus OC means 6. OC means 6 given. So 6 whole square is equal to 10 whole square. That implies AC square is equal to 100 minus 36 means 64. That implies AC square is equal to 64, which is equal to 8 square. That implies AC is equal to 8. That implies AC is equal to 8. We have to find out this chord AB length. So C is the midpoint of FD. AC is equal to 8 means CB also 8. So therefore required chord AB is equal to 6 plus 6 means 16 centimeters. That implies option 3 is the right answer. Next, the circumference of a circle is dash units. The circumference of the circle is 2 pi r units. That is the formula. You have to remember the formula. Next. The area of a square inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeters is. The area of the square inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeters. Given this is a circle and this is a square inserted in a circle. అంటే సర్కిల్లో ఒక స్క్వేరు ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయబడి ఉంది. ఫైండ్ ది అయితే మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? ఈ స్క్వేర్ యొక్క ఏరియా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఈ స్క్వేర్ యొక్క ఏరియాని స్మాల్ a తో డినోట్ చేద్దాం. సో గివెన్ circle having the radius 8 centimeters, that is OC is equal to 8 centimeters and OA is equal to 8 centimeters. Similarly, OB is equal to 8 centimeters and OD is equal to 8 centimeters. These are the diagonals of the square. Okay, we have given radius is equal to 8 centimeters. Diameter D is equal to, we have the formula diameter equal to twice the radius. So 2 into R, that implies 2 into 8 means 16 centimeters. D is equal to 16 centimeters. From the right angle triangle ABC, that is, this is the right angle triangle ABC, we have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. AB. So we denote the side of the square by small a. So small a square plus this side also small a square is equal to length of a diagonal means nothing but the diameter of the circle, which is equal to 16 whole square. That implies 2a whole square is equal to 16 whole square. That implies cancelling the square on both sides, we get root 2a is equal to 16. That implies a is equal to 16 by root 2. That is, the side of the square ABCD is small a is equal to 16 by root 2. So therefore area of the square means side whole square. That implies a whole square, which is equal to 16 by root 2 whole square, which is equal to 256 by 2, which is equal to 128 centimeters square. 128 square centimeter. That is option 4 is the right answer. Next, the number of tangents at one point of the circle is. So circle ki exact గా ఒకే ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఉండే టాంజెంట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి అంటే ఒకటే ఉంటుందండి. సర్కిల్ కి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 1 పాయింట్ దగ్గర ఒక టాంజెంటే ఉంటుంది, 1. సో ఆప్షన్ 1 is the right answer. Next question. The area of this circle, when the angle measured at the center is 360 degrees is the area of the circle. We have the formula area of the circle is pi r square. So option 2 is the right answer. Next, the diameters of two concentric circles are 21 centimeters and 17 centimeters respectively. The difference between their circumference is. Given diameters of two concentric circles, diameters D1, D2. Let it be denoted by D1 and D2. Options are given. Diameter. Let R1 be the radius of the first circle and R2 be the radius of the second circle. Those are two concentric circles means having same center. Those two circles are having the same center. So difference, the difference between their circumference. So circumference, we have a formula. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That is difference of two circles means 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2. So we have 2r1 is equal to d. So that is equal to pi d1 minus pi d2. 2 into r1 means diameter. 2 into r1 is equal to diameter of the first circle, that is denoted by d1. Whereas in this 2 into r2, which is equal to diameter of the second circle, which is denoted by d2. So take pi as common, we get d1 minus d2, which is equal to pi of d1 means 21 centimeters. Given d1 equal to 21 centimeters and d2 is equal to 17 centimeters, which is equal to pi into 4, that is 4 pi centimeters. Option 1 is the right answer. Next bit. If B is equal to 4 centimeters, H is equal to 6 centimeters, then the area of the triangle. So options are given. we have the area of the triangle is equal to half BH. Half BH. B is the base, H is the height, which is equal to half into B means B, given B is equal to 4 centimeters, H is equal to 6 centimeters. So 2 4 2 times cancel అయితే 2 into 6, which is equal to 12 square centimeters. That is option 1 is the right answer. Option 1 is the 12 centimeter is the right answer. The radii of circle is doubled, then its area becomes dash times. The radii of circle is doubled, then the area then its area becomes dash times. Options are given. If the radii of the circle is doubled, that is r equal to 2r, then a is equal to, we have the formula area of the circle a is equal to pi r square, which is equal to pi into, substitute r equal to 2r whole square. R square means 2r whole square, that is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So 4 times. The area becomes 4 times. So option 3 is the right answer. Next bit. If PA is a tangent at A and PBC is a secant, if PA equal to 10 centimeters and PB equal to 5 centimeters, then PC is equal to dash. Observe this figure. Given PA is tangent at A, that implies PA is tangent at A, means at A the line touches the circle at the point A. So PA is a tangent to the circle at A. PBC is a secant, that implies the line passes through these 2 points on the circle, that is B and C. So PBC is the secant to the circle. Given PA equal to 10 centimeters and PB equal to 5 centimeters, then PC is equal to how much? We have PA whole square is equal to PB, PA whole square is equal to PB into PC. That is PA, given PA equal to 10 centimeters, that is 10 whole square is equal to 5 into PC. That implies 10 whole square means 100. Shifted 5 to this side. 100 by 5 is equal to PC. That implies 20 is equal to PC. That is PC equal to 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Option 1 is the right answer. Next. If L equal to 6 centimeters, B is equal to 3 centimeters, then the area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle, we have the formula area of the rectangle equal to L into B, that is 6 into 3, which is equal to 18 square centimeter. 18 square centimeters. Option 4 is the right answer. Next. The perimeter of a sector with r equal to 10.5 and x is equal to 60 degrees is. So we have a formula. The perimeter of a sector is equal to L plus 2r. That is equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi r plus r. Given x is equal to 60 degrees. Substitute x is equal to 60 degrees by 360 degrees into 2 pi. R equal to 10.5 given. R equal to 10.5 plus 2 into 10.5. That is 0 0 cancel, 6 36 plus 6 times cancel అవుతుంది. So 1 by 6 into 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into 10.5 plus 2 into 10.5 means 21. Okay, by calculating this we get 32 centimeters. 32 centimeters. Option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Next. If r equal to 7 centimeters, x degrees is equal to 30 degrees, then the area of the sector. Options are given. So we have the formula area of the sector is equal to x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. So given x is equal to 30 degrees by 360 degrees, into pi means 22/7 into r whole square. Given r is equal to 7, so 7 whole square. So we get 1/12 into E7, 7 square get cancelled, 22 into 7. By simplifying this, we get 77/6. So ఈ ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఒకటి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 77/6 is the right answer. The diameter of a wheel is 1.26 meters. The distance covered in 500 revolution is. The diameter of a wheel. Wheel అంటే ఏంటి? చక్రం. మీన్స్ వీల్ అంటే ఏ షేప్ లో ఉంటుంది? సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉంటుంది, రౌండ్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో సర్కిల్ షేప్ లో ఉంటుంది. దాని యొక్క డయామీటర్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు అంటే 1.26 meters ఇచ్చేసాడు. So the distance covered in 500 revolution is. Okay, the distance covered in 500 revolutions అంటే 500 times rotate అయితే. So diameter equal to 1.26 centimeters. That implies R equal to, we have the formula D is equal to 2R. That implies R equal to D by 2. That implies 1.26 by 2, which is equal to 0.63. First, we find the radius, small r. Small r equal to 0.63. Perimeter, we have the formula. Perimeter of this circle is, perimeter or circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, 2 into pi means 22/7 into r equal to 0.63. By calculating this, we get 3.96 meters. This is the perimeter of the circle. So the distance covered in 500 revolution means 500 into 3.96. So we get 1980 meters. 1980 meters. That is option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Next. The diameter of a circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles of radii 40 centimeters and 9 centimeters is. The diameter of a circle whose area is equal to the. So diameter కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన కంటెంట్ ఏంటి అంటే whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles of radii. సర్కిల్స్ యొక్క రేడియస్ ఇచ్చాడు ఎంత? 40 centimeters and 9 centimeters. టూ సర్కిల్స్ యొక్క రేడియస్ మెన్షన్ చేశాడు అక్కడ. సో ఏరియా, we have a formula, sum of areas. Given sum of areas A is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. That is areas of sum of areas of two circles. We have to find out the diameter, that is D value. Given r1 equal to 40 centimeters means that is the radius of the first circle is 40 centimeters and r2 equal to 9 centimeters. That is the radius of the second circle is 9 centimeters. So in this, take pi as common and substituting the values of r1 is equal to 40 and r2 is equal to 9 in this, we get pi into 1600 plus 81. We have area of the circle formula, pi r square is equal to, here area of the circle formula into pi r square is equal to pi into 1681. So pi get cancelled. That implies r square is equal to 1681. That implies r is equal to root of 1681, which is equal to 41 centimeters. So r is equal to 41 means diameter equal to 2r, and 2 into 41, which is equal to 82 centimeters. So మనం ఒకసారి చూడండి, బిట్ అడిగింది ఏం అడిగాడంటే ద డయామీటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. సర్కిల్ యొక్క డయామీటర్ అడిగాడు. వాడి దానికి ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే whose ఏరియా, ఆ సర్కిల్ యొక్క ఏరియా అనేది దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఏరియాస్ ఆఫ్ ది టూ సర్కిల్, వేరే టూ సర్కిల్ యొక్క ఏరియాస్ యొక్క సమ్ కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుందంట. ఆ టూ సర్కిల్స్ ఎలాంటి సర్కిల్స్ అంటే హ్యావింగ్ రేడియస్ 40 centimeters అండ్ 9 centimeters. అంటే ఒకదాని యొక్క రేడియస్ ఏమో 40 centimeters, ఇంకో దాని యొక్క రేడియస్ ఏమో 9 centimeters. అలాంటి రేడియస్ కలిగిన టూ సర్కిల్స్ యొక్క ఏరియాస్ యొక్క సమ్ వచ్చి దేనికి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది? మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన సర్కిల్ యొక్క ఏరియాకి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఏంటి, ఆ సర్కిల్ యొక్క డయామీటర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో therefore d is equal to 2r అంటే 2 into 41 which is equal to 82 centimeters. That is option 4 is the right answer. Next, the area of rectangle is 24 square centimeters. If its length is 6 centimeters, then its perimeter is equal to dash. Given area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle, we have the formula area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to 24. If its length is 6 centimeters, then perimeter. If L is equal to 6 centimeters, that means B is equal to 24 by L, means 24 by 6, which is equal to 4 centimeters. So we have the formula perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 2 into 6 plus 4. That means 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 centimeters. Perimeter formula enti ante 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. 2 into L ante 6, B ante 4 centimeters. 6 plus 4 means 10. 2 into 10 means 20 centimeters. That is option 4 is the right answer. Next. Area of ring or annulus is option 1 pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. Remember this, pi into capital R plus small r into capital R minus small r. Next, if the degree measure of the angle at the center of a circle is 1 degree, then the area of sector is option 1. We have x degrees by 360, area of the sector formula, x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square. Given x is equal to 1 degree, that implies 1 by 360 degrees into pi r square. That implies option 1 is the right answer. Next, the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called, any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. That is option 3 is the right answer. Next, if D is equal to 21 centimeters, then R equal to, so R equal to D by 2, which is equal to 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5 centimeters. R equal to D by 2, that is 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5 centimeters. Next bit. In the figure, A is called, in this figure, A is called, here CB is a tangent to this circle. Here A is called the point of contact. A is called the point of contact. Option 1 is the right answer. Next, the area of rectangular hexagon when side A is 6 into root 3 by 4a square. Option 2 is the right answer. Next bit. In the figure OB equal to 13 centimeters, that is, observe this figure. OB is equal to 13 centimeters. OP equal to 12 centimeters. Then AB is equal to dash. Next, AB, we have AB is equal to 2 into CB. Observe this figure. We have AB is equal to 2 into CB. That implies 2 into 5 centimeters, which is equal to 10 centimeters. That implies CB is equal to 5. Next, number of tangents drawn to a circle from an external point is. So number of tangents drawn to a circle from an external point ante సర్కిల్ కి అవుట్ సైడ్ ఏదైనా పాయింట్ ఉంటే కనుక ఆ పాయింట్ నుంచి సర్కిల్ కి ఎన్ని టాంజెంట్స్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు అంటే 2 టాంజెంట్స్ డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ఆప్షన్ 2 ఈస్ ది రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఆప్షన్ 2 ఈస్ ది రైట్ ఆన్సర్. సో ఇలా బిట్స్, హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ దిస్ వీడియో. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. Thank you very much.